Namaskaram. Thiruvarur Bhaktavachalam sir and Vidwan Ganesh have both spoken so very well about you. I have only one thing to add. Don't think that this is like a like thing in Facebook, which you don't get easily. We have a Parama Vidwan, live Vidwan, and a violin maestro who has worked with a lot of accompaniments. So it was really, really enjoyable. I am reminded of when I was your age in Chennai, Mylapore. We used to go every weekend to Rasikaranjani Sabha. It is still there. During Taniyavartanam, everybody will walk away. Okay. And the people who were playing, like stalwart, like Palgatmani Ayer, Paini Subbudu, these are the people who will be playing. And how do I know they get up and walk away? There will be a huge noise when the Taniyavartanam starts. They will leave. And what is the effect of that? There was a grand divide between the Sangeetam known by people who are learning, starting from Sarigama Padanisa, Varavina and all that, and those who were learning Mridangam, those who were learning Layam, Ghatam, Ganjira. They were developing in one way, in my opinion, while people were singing, there was a divide. But luckily that has dramatically changed to the point that there is an Arangetram for Mridangam, and my dear wife Malini said, why is he not sitting in the center? That's what she said, because that is how she wanted it. This is huge progress. And the reason why I say that is, Laya Vinyasam is not easy. We just saw Ravi's son come and play two different talams on both hands. He just came there and played that. And we were looking at him appreciatively. After all, he's Ravi's son, right? But he was not happy. He was not satisfied. He continued doing this until he got this right. I quite agree. So, a lot of parents think the musical genius is what is important. My children, they are very talented. About hard-working genius, where does that come in? Sadhana comes in. You have to really work hard. In some cases, greed is good. You have to really do it. Recently, I had a class in which we listened to a CD recording of a very talented violinist when he was very young. And the recording had Jalajaksha Varnam, Hamsadhvani Varnam in 15 speeds. Those who know whom I am talking about. 15 speeds, there was this. I wanted all my students to hear this. Okay. And then the question was, tell me, compare the first speed and the 15th speed. Tell me, how do you feel like? And it was very clear, we said that the violinists had worked very hard. It's very, very clear, this violinist is going to go some huge place. Just like today, Bhaktavachalam sir said, you will become great. And the violinist was young. So we again listened to it. And the question I posed to my students is, do you really like to hear the violin in these speeds? Okay, so we discussed the concept of aesthetics and Sukha Anubhavam. Yeah, it is true that sadhana has been there, it has been done very beautifully, but do you like it? So there was a lot of discussion, and I said, when I grew up, they used to say, theory of relativity only 2 or 3 people understood, and therefore Einstein is genius. How could he be a genius if we don't understand him? That has changed a lot. So this was the question. Then everyone agreed that 15 speed was not nice to hear. Sorry. Even though it was played very well. Then I said, listen to it again. Then they realized in that 15th speed, Paul got Mani Iyer won. He had his space. His right hand and left hand worked so beautifully. It is the space in which he can speak to you in that. So when musicians realize what it is that Mridangam, Ghatam, and Ganjira all work, they think they are just accompanying, they are just repeating what is happening. They add another dimension to music. That is just unbelievable, I think. It is because of this, I really think that it's very important to teach Layam as a basic education to everybody when music is taught. And so our Sai sisters, they have had a Mridangam guru. Melakavari Balaji has worked with them when they are even 6 years old, and they will repeat all the jatis and so on. This is a very enjoyable event. I like the ambience. As they said, it's a full concert. And again, the Kala Pramanam was really very high, and all of you maintained it extremely well. And Sai sisters, I can praise you because you're not only my student, but there are other gurus worked with you, okay? So I cannot totally own you, and I think to many extent you have gone beyond me. But yeah, we have opened the cage and the birds have flown away. You are on your own, and therefore what our friend Ganesh said is very important. Only thing is, I want to know where you are in 2 years. He's very, very kind. 10 years. Okay. The violin, as they said, is absolutely wonderful. It is a support, and you played extremely well, maintained the Kala Pramanam. It's a Madhyama Kalam today, very much. Oh, by the way, I like the Pantu Rali. It's an amazing fall on Shankari on the Mr. Chapu. It's just beautifully sung. All of you sang very well. And the other interesting thing is, your song selections were essentially something that this Krish Mohan will get a role. You gave him a place, an opportunity to do this. Okay. So that is very, very important. Medha, you are very pleasant to watch. So you enjoyed while playing the tambur. It is very important you see them. You can't see her. Just like I'm not sure whether you were able to see Tiruvarur Bhaktavatshalam. We were able to see him. He was enjoying. He was putting talam. Okay, even though it was 2 a.m. his time. Okay, maybe we should have turned his picture a little bit closer here so that you have to see the real audience that is there and how he reacted. This is very important. To Mohan family, I really think that you have done everything right. I wish you the very best. I also want to appreciate Ravi sir for beautifully playing with him and supporting. You know, you took care of him. You take care of him like a mother takes care of a child. You know, when, say, an elephant gives birth to a small elephant, and therefore it makes sure that everything works okay. With that kind of devotion, he sat and took care of him. And this is really very, very fortunate. Okay. So that is all I want to say. Thank you.